Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here, P0131. It's a Vauxhall with a petrol engine. We've got the engine management light on, and this sensor here is to do with the exhaust sensor, the catalytic. Now on this specific model, this is a 2015, the sensor to be found, I'm just going to tell you where the sensor is on this, and it's really easy to change. I've already disconnected it to confirm that everything matches, and it is coming back as this one is positive, and it says circuit low voltage sensor 1. Now if you're getting that, what we would say is change this. It's you can certainly get the sockets online as well on Amazon. They're only about probably 11-12 quid, and you can probably do it yourself. I wouldn't ask anyone else, but the reality is I would recommend getting OEM sensors. You don't want aftermarket, because if you get aftermarket, they will trigger the fault again. So it's best to get genuine OEM. It is a DIY, I would do it yourself, and that sensor also will cause all these other faults as well. However, there is also a hole in the exhaust which will cause all this whole emission to kick off, but yeah, this is what's causing it.